Hello and welcome to Vic's Batabs. Here we have Victor. He wants to have a look around Dinosaur Park. He's heard that the dinosaurs here are pretty docile, so he's got no worries, but he's still got to keep his eyes open though. So we'll just get Victor going. There he goes. Victor's off. Here he comes. Wow, watch out, Victor. This is a really mean critter here. Oh, look at that jaw. I don't think this guy's docile. There's Victor. Still going. There he comes. Now watch out for this one. He's a mean critter, this one. Oh. There he comes. Phew. That was a close one, Victor. Oh. Mean. Well, I think Victor's had enough of this. Oh, Victor's going back the other way. He's getting out of here. Okay, that's all from Dinosaur Park. Dinosaur's going away. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.